Want to hire the best roofing company in your area? And without dealing with shady roofing repair companies that use pushy methods and sales tactics that can leave you, the homeowner, with a poor quality and expensive roof repair bill? Here are 7 questions that you should ask to help you identify a reputable roof repair company. 1. What types of roofing do you install? 2. Do you offer financing? 3. Do you work with homeowners insurance to file claims? 4. Do you have a current license to do this work in my area? 5. What types of insurance do you have, and what is the coverage? 6. Can you give me 2 or 3 references to check? 7. Do you remove or dispose of old roofing materials? Is there a disposal charge? Now that you understand some of the top questions you should ask your roofing contractor, there's no reason to keep struggling with that leaking roof and dripping water inside your home. Ready to get help with a reputable roofing contractor? Want a free quality quote? Call us now at 1-973-847-2077 or visit us online and follow the link below.